It is such a beautiful sunny day. Crisp and cold, but it's sunny and beautiful. And we're just taking advantage and getting some stuff done outside today. We need to move some fencing for the horses. We need to work with the horses. I believe Josh is going to do some work with hay, getting hay where it goes, the round bales. Pumpkins to the animals, all sorts of things. You know what? Look at, I got to show you what my turkeys are doing over here. Not the real turkeys, my children, the turkeys. Whoa, look at you. What are you guys doing? Now, wouldn't it make more sense to wait for like snow? Or is this certainly smells nice. It smells like fresh pine.
What's it?
Fun. All right, Tabitha, your turn. And if you're watching this, don't be fooled that Tabitha has on sandals. That's only just because she's likes her sandals, not because it's warm. We are getting loaded up on pumpkins. Come on, guys. Getting loaded up on pumpkins, and so we need to take another round out to the garden and another round out to the animals. So, yeah, we got to get that done. That one's like pretty and perfect. Good job, Tabitha. Is it too heavy? Use all your muscles. All your muscles. Where's Julianne? How'd she get out of this? Hold on, let Sissy do one. You can do the next one. Oh, Jessie, be careful. There we go. It's chilly. It's sunny, but it's chilly. All right, William, let's go ahead and get the fence shut off. Okay, this will be my helper. We need to go fix the horse's fence. Come on, you're okay, baby. She's all spunky. Okay, we're gonna give the horses access to the rest of the pasture. Before, we had them locked up in this section, just a small section up by the barn here, because they kept on trying to get the chicken feed out of the back of the truck, which is, truck is over back there. And they would, those little stinkers, they'd go over to the truck and try to get the food. And then also, where's Oak at right now?
He's tied up.
Well, the puppies are gonna come see us too. Who's our good puppies? See, he's over there. And now he can't figure out how to get back in here. And him, Oak, and Phoebe are like buddies. And so they stand here. Of course, they're not doing it at this moment, but they stand and stare at each other over the fence like, how do I get back to my buddy here? So, yeah. So we're just going to open up. We got the chicken food out of the back of the truck over there. So there's only pumpkins back there. So it doesn't matter if you guys go over there. I know, what am I doing, huh? It doesn't matter if the horses go over there and get into stuff. It's just pumpkins. It's not chicken food making a mess. So, all right, let's move this fence well. Oak, do you have your buddies back? Do you have your buddies back? Who's a good boy? Okay, horses fence is opened up. I think Jules and Marie are gonna come out and work with the horses in just a little bit. It's windy. It's sunny and windy, and we're heading towards winter. So what's the plan?
Ground like a lunge training, get her working with the hack more a little bit more. Just check her feet because they were a little sore last time we worked with her. So just make sure they're okay.
So you were letting her rest her feet and...
Yeah, I was like very mildly working with her. So nothing too crazy.
When you do her feet, you just are making sure there's nothing. You're just cleaning out the gunk, making sure there's no rocks or anything.
She's doing much better with picking up her feet.
How about the back ones? Because those were troublesome.
Not bad.
Okay.
A little bit harder, but definitely not bad.
Now you're doing desensitizing, right? We have a lot of kids and noises and things that we don't want horses to freak out about. Do you remember the first day we brought the horses home and we were walking them down the lane here? Yeah. And they saw the cows for the first time. So we introduced the horses, you know, just walked them in the vicinity of the cows, and the horses acted like it was the scariest thing they had ever seen in their entire lives. It was really funny. They came from a farm full of horses, apparently had never seen a cow.
Oh, you're tired. We're practicing having Phoebe be tied up, so when we have to go on a ride with her mama, she'll be okay with it. Right? You're doing such a good job.
All right, Jules, what are you doing?
Cleaning out the rabbit cages.
You're scooping poop, right?
Yeah, we have an egg customer that wants some manure for our garden.
Yeah, we have Maria's coming for some rabbit manure, which is like one of the best things you can put on your garden, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, you taking milk out to customers? Hi, Maria. How are you doing? This is Maria, one of our faithful customers. We just appreciate her so much. She comes every week, and today she's loading up on rabbit manure, right? Garden? You doing some work in your winter garden, or?
Yes, winter garden.
So you just put it down and
spring, yeah.
prepare. See, you're planning ahead. It pays to plan ahead, doesn't it, Maria? Awesome. Well, thank you. It's good to see you.
Thank you.